Well, we moved into this house, I guess 13 years ago now, and we really didn't have the money to do the kitchen, so we lived with it. And after 12 years, the kitchen cabinet doors were falling off. I would highly recommend people working with Metrica and Dino specifically. Not only is he professional, not only does he have a great attitude, clean, and very conscientious, he understands the project that you want, the constraints that you have. And I actually have recommended him to my mother, who's planning to redo her 2 bathrooms in the next year or 2. So hire Metrica.